You know what is weird? Not losing your money or failing, not getting rejected. What is scary is slowly becoming unable to think because brain rot does not happen in one moment. It happens in tiny doses. A video, another scroll, another notification, another hour spent consuming things you will forget tomorrow. And one day you realize something strange. You cannot focus anymore. You open YouTube and forget why. You pick up your phone every 30 seconds, you start 10 things and finish none. And you tell yourself you are just tired. But maybe you are not tired. Maybe your brain is droning. See, your mind was never designed to receive endless entertainment every waking second. Silence used to exist, boredom used to exist. And when boredom used to exist, we used to be more productive. But then all these Instagram, TikTok, and Reels came out, and we do not realize, but we spend like half of our day doing nothing but scrolling, and we think we are busy. It's a bad habit of mine too. Like, I would just close the app, I would just close Instagram, and then suddenly I am opening it on the next second. Before people had to sit with their thoughts, now the moment boredom appears, we kill it. Music, shorts, reels, podcast, messages, constant noise, and something terrible happens when you are never bored. You stop creating because creativity is born in empty spaces. Your best ideas do not arrive while you are scrolling, they arrive while walking, while staring out the window, while doing nothing. And that's what modern life stole from us, not our attention, our ability to be alone with ourselves. The good news, your brain is not broken, it's adaptable. Take a walk without headphones. Read 10 pages instead of 10 reels. Sit in silence for 5 minutes without reaching for your phone. At first, it will feel uncomfortable because your mind has become addicted to stimulation. But slowly, something beautiful happens. Your thoughts become clearer. Your focus returns. Life starts feeling real again because your brain was not made to consume endlessly. It was made to think, and if you do not protect your mind, someone else will happily rent it for clicks. So before you ask why life feels blurry, ask yourself when was the last time you allowed your mind to simply exist?